No.
Wait.
Don't get nervous.
Wait. I did it, man. You started. Oh my God, this one scares me.
That's a beer belly. You look great with my big toe.
Mommy, I got some coins in my pocket.
Zoomed in, zoom out. There we go.
Jojo, how do you feel today? Oh my God, my mouth is all in the camera. Good? Oh, I'm a mess. Hot today. Good night.
Holy shit.
This you powerful. You ready?
Bro, I got it on me. What the hell?
On a little? Right there? Okay, go. Oh, you did it! Push it. It's air powered. Push it. Don't I have to go in this?
No, push that thing.
Yeah, push that thing. Now shoot. From here? Yeah. What do I shoot at? You aim.
Whatever you
aim.
want. Use this to aim. That or that?
The small ones, I got one small ones already. Come on, Jojo.
You're the one that's spinning. The one that's spinning on the wheel.
Yeah.
Oh, you made.
I tried to hit the black thing you were thinking.
So these are the ones.
No, take it.
No, those are yours.
Yeah, take it. How about two?
Oh.
And.
Oh!
No.
No?
That's right.
You want to turn it? Oh! Got it? Yeah. Spinning it again or the orange one? What did you hit?
And then push that. Yeah.
Push it and then open it with that little circle thing over there. Oh. And then you pull. Which one did you hit? Oh, it went all the way to the tree. I hit the pumpkin and the circle. Carousel. Not carousel.
Oh.
Oh, my wrist.
That was good aim.
That was good aim. Oh, went right over its head.
I got you some. You like camping?
Wow. Come on, Santi. You got it. Was that fun?
You want to do it?
Was that fun, Santi?
You went slower like that.
Be right back.
Alright, we gotta get a sack.
He's so happy.
Tired.
Santi's so serious today.
Again.
Mateo's going now.
Ellie, you're not even sitting on it. I know. That's happened to me. Her legs were sitting on it.
Oh.
Santi, how do you feel going down your first slide?
And it was a big one.
Say hello, world.
These burps and set.
You're like, oh!
Santi, Mateo.
I had it on recorded.
Hello. Mateo. Babysitter.
Going off.
Santi, be
Hey,
nice.
don't hit him.
Mateo. Mateo.
Look at that way.
Whoa!
Santi.
Oh, was that a song?
Next year he'll be running around.
Yeah.